Never run out of power again. Today, we're diving into the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh portable charger, your ultimate solution for staying charged on the go. With a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, this device can fully charge an iPhone over 6 times, making it an essential companion for long trips or busy days. What sets it apart is Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology, intelligently identifying your device to deliver the fastest possible charge every time. Plus, with dual USB ports, you can conveniently power up 2 devices simultaneously, perfect for sharing or charging your phone and tablet at once. This PowerCore isn't just a battery. It's a robust, reliable power solution built with Anker's renowned durability. If you're searching for the best portable power bank and a true travel essential for 2025, look no further. For more details and to buy this incredible portable charger, find the Amazon link in the description below. Don't compromise on power. The Anker PowerCore 20,000 is an absolute must-have for every tech user.